Capture every detail with a dual 4K camera. Equipped with a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, this drone lets you capture breathtaking photos and videos from a bird's-eye view. You can enjoy 4K pictures and videos directly through the app on your phone or iPad, getting a real-time panoramic view of your flights. Sharing your aerial masterpieces on social media is a breeze. Powerful performance and stable flight. This drone features brushless motors for higher speeds and improved performance compared to brushed drones. Its built-in altitude hold system keeps the drone stable at your desired height, and optical flow positioning provides strong wind resistance and ground detection. Plus, it offers 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors, adding an extra layer of safety. Extended flight time and convenient portability. You'll get plenty of flight time with the two included 1,600 mAh batteries, offering up to 40 minutes in total. The drone also comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to transport for all your outdoor adventures. The package also includes a controller, propeller guards, and spare fan blades. Feature-rich for all skill levels. This drone is loaded with functions to enhance your flying experience, including high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3-speed gears, gesture control, headless mode, 1-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, by pressing the right joystick down and selecting a direction, low battery warning, emergency stop, electronic fence function, alerts you if it goes beyond remote control range. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced drone enthusiast, its extensive range of functions and exceptional quality make it a fantastic choice. It also makes an excellent gift. Easy to learn and excellent support. Get started quickly with detailed video tutorials and comprehensive manuals. If you ever run into an issue, their 24-hour customer service is ready to provide prompt assistance. Best Buy link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comments and subscribe.